I'm Chanantija from Class 7, St. Peter's Edu Senior Secondary School. Today, I'm going to show you sanitizer machine which I have made. So, to build this, materials required are cardboard, large cardboard, two connectors, two batteries, small bottle, and sanitizer, liquid sanitizer, mini submersible motor, and transparent pipe inside for motor, and switch, glue stick with glue gun, etc. The working principle of this sanitizer machine is the motor converts electrical energy to mechanical energy, which helps the sanitizer to suck from the container to the pipe. So let me show you that how my sanitizer machine works. First we have to open this door. We have to connect two batteries, which is 9 volt. If you are using less than 9 volt, you have to connect 3 or 4. So we have to press this switch. See friends. See this sanitizer. You have to rub your hands for 20 seconds. You have to sanitize your nails also, because inside there will be so much of dust. With the small things around us, we can make the most useful sanitizer machine in this pandemic time. Thank you. So friends, be alert of COVID-19.